matter. It's gonna be a short game, and I gotta get home for lunch. That's one. You know, if my dog was as ugly as you, I'd shave his butt and tell him to walk backwards. Hey, is that your sister out there in left field, naked? She's naked. Shut up, Porter! Hey, I'm just trying to have a little friendly conversation. Come on. You think she'd go out with me? Come on, show me your stuff. See what you got. Thank you,